Did you know that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 air purifying plants backed by NASA research to help you breathe easier and sleep better. From the unkillable snake plant to the humidity-boosting Boston fern, we cover care tips, pet safety, and the best places to put them in your home. Air purifying plants, NASA Clean Air Study, indoor plants, healthy home, plant care for beginners, snake plant benefits, peace lily care. But nature has a solution. In 1989, NASA conducted a landmark study discovering that certain houseplants act as natural air filters. Today, we're looking at the top 10 best air purifying plants for a healthier home. Stick around until the end because I'm sharing a pro tip on how to double your plant's cleaning power. 1. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is one of the most elegant and powerful air purifying houseplants you can bring into your home. Known for its glossy dark green leaves and graceful white blooms, this plant is not just beautiful, it's highly functional. It was highlighted in the NASA Clean Air Study as one of the top plants for removing harmful indoor toxins. Peace lilies are particularly effective at filtering out pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, ammonia, and trichloroethylene. These chemicals are commonly found in household cleaning products, paints, furniture, and even carpets. By absorbing these toxins through their leaves and roots, peace lilies help create a cleaner and healthier indoor environment. One of the most unique benefits of the peace lily is its ability to increase humidity. This makes it an excellent plant for dry indoor spaces or air-conditioned rooms, helping reduce issues like dry skin, irritated sinuses, and respiratory discomfort. It also has the added benefit of absorbing mold spores from the air, making it perfect for bathrooms or damp areas. In terms of care, the peace lily is relatively low maintenance. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and only needs watering when the soil feels dry. Interestingly, the plant will droop slightly when it needs water, making it easy to understand its needs even for beginners. However, it's important to note that peace lilies are toxic if ingested, so they should be kept away from pets and small children. With its combination of beauty, safety, and powerful air cleaning abilities, the peace lily is a must-have plant for anyone looking to improve their home's air quality naturally. 2. Snake plant, Dracaena trifasciata. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is one of the toughest and beginner-friendly houseplants available. Recognized in the NASA Clean Air Study, this plant is famous for its ability to purify indoor air while requiring minimal care. What makes the snake plant truly unique is its ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. Most plants do this during the day, but snake plants follow a special process called CAM photosynthesis. This makes them one of the best plants to keep in bedrooms, as they can help improve air quality while you sleep. Snake plants are excellent at removing toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and nitrogen oxides. These harmful substances are commonly released from furniture, paints, and building materials. By filtering these pollutants, the snake plant contributes to a cleaner and safer indoor environment. Another major advantage of this plant is its extreme resilience. It can survive in low light, bright light, and even periods of neglect. It requires very little water. Overwatering is actually the most common mistake. This makes it perfect for busy individuals or those new to plant care. The upright, sword-like leaves also make it a stylish addition to modern interiors. Its structured appearance adds a sense of height and sophistication to any room. Like the peace lily, the snake plant is toxic if ingested, so it should be placed out of reach of pets and small children. If you're looking for a nearly indestructible plant that works all the clock to purify your air, the snake plant is one of the best choices you can make. 3. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. The spider plant is one of the easiest and beginner-friendly houseplants in the world, and it also earned recognition in the NASA Clean Air Study for its impressive air-purifying abilities. With its arching green and white striped leaves and small baby spiderettes, this plant adds both charm and function to any indoor space. Spider plants are especially effective at removing harmful pollutants like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide from the air. These toxins are commonly released from furniture, gas appliances, and building materials. By absorbing them through their leaves, spider plants help create a fresher and healthier living environment. One of the best features of the spider plant is how easy it is to care for. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. It prefers slightly moist soil, but it's forgiving if you occasionally forget to water it. This makes it perfect for beginners or busy plant owners. Another unique advantage is that spider plants are non-toxic to pets, making them a safe choice for households with cats and dogs. Plus, they grow quickly and produce baby plants that can be propagated easily, giving you more plants for free. Spider plants look especially beautiful in hanging baskets, where their long leaves can cascade down naturally. They also help reduce airborne dust, improving overall indoor comfort. With its combination of beauty, safety, and air cleaning power, the spider plant is a must-have plant for anyone starting their indoor plant journey. 4. Golden pothos, Epipremnum aureum. The golden pothos, often called the devil's ivy, is one of the easiest and most versatile houseplants you can grow. Recognized in the NASA Clean Air study, it is known for its ability to remove toxins like formaldehyde from indoor air. This plant is famous for its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves with golden variegation. It can grow in a variety of conditions, making it ideal for beginners. Whether placed on a shelf, hanging basket, or climbing a support, golden pothos adapts beautifully and enhances any space. Golden pothos is incredibly resilient. It can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and even neglect. While it prefers bright, indirect light, it will still survive in dim corners. This makes it perfect for busy individuals or those new to plant care. In terms of air purification, golden pothos absorbs pollutants through its leaves and helps reduce indoor odors. It's especially useful in spaces with new furniture or recently painted walls. Another advantage is how easy it is to propagate. Simply cut a vine and place it in water, and roots will begin to grow within days. This makes it a favorite among plant lovers who enjoy sharing plants with friends and family. However, it is toxic if ingested, so it should be kept away from pets and small children. With its low-maintenance nature, fast growth, and air-purifying qualities, the golden pothos is one of the most practical and rewarding houseplants you can own. 5. Bamboo palm, Cameo-dera cypherzae. The bamboo palm is a graceful and tropical-looking plant that brings a calm, natural vibe into your home. It was also highlighted in the NASA Clean Air study for its ability to filter harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. This plant features slender green stems and feathery leaves that resemble bamboo, giving it a soft and elegant appearance. It's perfect for living rooms or corners where you want to add height and a lush tropical feel. Bamboo palms are not just decorative, they also act as natural humidifiers. They release moisture into the air, helping reduce dryness caused by air conditioning. This can improve skin hydration and make breathing more comfortable, especially in dry climates. It also has the added benefit of absorbing mold spores from the air, making it perfect for bathrooms or damp areas. In terms of care, bamboo palms prefer bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate lower light conditions. They require moderate watering, keeping the soil slightly moist but not soggy. With proper care, they can grow quite tall and become a stunning focal point in your home. Another benefit is that bamboo palms are generally safe for pets, making them a great option for animal lovers. Their ability to clean the air, add humidity, and enhance interior aesthetics makes them a perfect combination of beauty and function.
6. Boston fern, Neprolepis exaltata. The Boston fern is one of the oldest and most classic houseplants, loved for its lush, feathery foliage. According to the NASA Clean Air study, it is highly effective at removing formaldehyde from indoor air. Boston ferns are also known as natural humidifiers. They release moisture into the air, making them ideal for dry indoor environments. This can help reduce respiratory irritation, dry skin, and even improve sleep quality. These plants thrive in cool, humid conditions with indirect light. They require consistent watering and prefer their soil to remain slightly moist. While they need a bit more attention than some other plants, their beauty and benefits make it worth the effort. Boston ferns look stunning in hanging baskets or elevated planters where their fronds can cascade downward. They instantly add a fresh, forest-like feel to any room. They are also non-toxic to pets, making them a safe and family-friendly choice. If you're looking for a plant that combines elegance, air purification, and humidity control, the Boston fern is an excellent option. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is more than just a decorative succulent. It's a powerful, multi-purpose plant known for both its healing properties and air purifying abilities. It was also included in the NASA Clean Air study as a plant that can help remove indoor toxins like formaldehyde. This plant has thick, fleshy leaves filled with a cooling gel that has been used for centuries to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritation. Having aloe vera at home means you not only improve your air quality, but also have a natural remedy within reach. In terms of air purification, aloe vera helps absorb harmful chemicals released from cleaning products, paints, and synthetic materials. It can even act as a natural indicator. Brown spots on its leaves may signal poor air quality in your home. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires very little water. As a succulent, it stores water in its leaves, so overwatering is the most common mistake. It's ideal for sunny windowsills, kitchens, or workspaces. Another benefit is its compact size, making it perfect for small apartments or desks. It adds a clean, minimal aesthetic to modern interiors. However, aloe vera is toxic if ingested by pets, so placement should be considered carefully. With its combination of health benefits, low maintenance, and air cleaning ability, aloe vera is one of the most practical plants you can own. 6. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant is a bold and stylish houseplant known for its large, glossy leaves and strong air-purifying qualities. It was recognized in the NASA Clean Air study for its ability to remove formaldehyde from indoor air. Its thick, dark green leaves are highly efficient at absorbing airborne toxins and converting them into harmless substances. Because of its large leaf surface area, the rubber plant can have a stronger impact on air quality compared to smaller plants. This plant is perfect for modern homes and interior design lovers. Its tall structure and dramatic foliage make it a striking focal point in living rooms, offices, or entryways. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light, but can adapt to moderate light conditions. They require moderate watering and should be allowed to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root issues. Another advantage is their durability. While they may look luxurious, they are relatively easy to care for and can tolerate occasional neglect. However, the sap of the rubber plant can be mildly toxic and irritating, so it should be handled with care and kept away from pets and children. If you want a plant that combines aesthetics, size, and powerful air purification, the rubber plant is an excellent choice. 9. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is a classic trailing plant that brings a touch of elegance and freshness into any home. It was also featured in the NASA Clean Air study for its ability to filter airborne toxins like benzene and reduce mold particles. This plant is especially beneficial for people with allergies or respiratory issues. Its ability to reduce airborne mold makes it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, or human environments. English ivy is a fast-growing plant with trailing vines that can be displayed in hanging baskets, shelves, or even trained to climb walls or trellises. Its lush green leaves create a soft, calming visual effect. In terms of care, English ivy prefers bright, indirect light and slightly moist soil. It thrives in cooler environments and benefits from occasional misting to maintain humidity. One of its standout features is its versatility. It can be used as both an indoor and outdoor plant, adapting easily to different environments. However, English ivy is toxic if ingested by pets, so placement should be considered carefully. With its air-cleaning properties, allergy-reducing benefits, and decorative appeal, English ivy is both a functional and beautiful addition to any home. 10. Dracaena, various species. Dracaena plants are a diverse group of stylish houseplants known for their striking appearance and strong air-purifying abilities. Many species were included in the NASA Clean Air study for their effectiveness in removing toxins like xylene, benzene, and trichloroethylene.
Dracaena plants come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors, from tall, tree-like varieties to compact tabletop plants. Their long, slender leaves often feature vibrant patterns, making them a popular choice for interior decoration. These plants are particularly effective at removing chemicals released from varnishes, paints, and synthetic materials. This makes them ideal for newly furnished homes or recently renovated spaces. Dracaena plants prefer bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light conditions. They require moderate watering and should be allowed to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root issues. They are also a great choice for beginners due to their adaptability and minimal care. Yet it's worth noting that Dracaena plants are toxic to pets, so caution should be exercised if you have animals at home. With their wide variety, easy care, and strong air purifying abilities, Dracaena plants are a versatile and valuable addition to any indoor space. Now, a quick reality check. While these plants help, you would need a lot of them to match a mechanical HEPA filter. Think of them as a passive boost to your wellness that also lowers stress and looks great. Here's that bonus tip. Dust your plants. If the leaves are covered in dust, the pores of the plant are blocked and they can't absorb toxins or sunlight. A quick wipe with a damp cloth every 2 weeks doubles their efficiency. Which of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthy green home. I'll see you in the next one.